CBS Health Watch is sponsored by Health East. Ron Austin was a stage 4 cancer patient in need of a non-surgical solution.
Couldn't take it out because if they hit a spot that had cancer in it, it would seed, and then I'd have it all over.
Ron's doctor recommended CyberKnife. While other technologies use 4 to 10 beams of radiation, CyberKnife uses up to 200 beams.
It can identify a tumor and sort of paint it with radiation with much more detail, like a fine brush might be used in a painting.
So while the CyberKnife treatment is more effective on the tumor, it's actually less damaging to surrounding tissues and less likely to cause debilitating side effects.
Often tired for a few weeks because there's a lot of healing going on where that tumor is. But otherwise, patients do generally well.
Ron's cancer is now in remission for nearly 4 years.
Different doctors sees me and they're like, wow, it's a miracle you're here.
Learn more about the Twin Cities' only CyberKnife Center at healtheast.org/cyberknife, sponsored by Health East.